Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, April 9th, which makes today National Name Yourself Day. Three big things going on. Volume 2 of The Most Dangerous Game with the soft dulcet tones of Mr. Martina will be dropping tonight. So if you need something to fall asleep to because you're staying up too late, make sure to check out The Most Dangerous Game, read by Martina. We mentioned it before, we'll mention it again. Regions are canceled for the year. Mr. Manchester sent out an email detailing exactly what that means. But what it means is if you were failing your class throughout the course of this year already, you got to get your butt in gear to pass the year. If you're doing well, keep doing well. So that way you have nothing to worry about moving on to next year. The last thing with coronavirus, asymptomatic carriers, people that don't know they have the coronavirus because they don't show signs and symptoms. It could be you, it could be me. We're pretty healthy, we don't show that. They're the most dangerous people right now. If they're not social distancing, it can become a problem. If you have a cough, if you have a fever, you probably know you don't want to be around others. If you are somebody that thinks you're okay, you still have to assume that you have it until we are through this. No birthdays at Rax that I was notified of, so happy birthday to Jesse McCartney. I know some of you are very excited about that. That's all I've got for today. Again, a lot of you are doing makeup work this week, but stay on top of it so your third quarter grade is good when the grading books end in the very near future, and you're set to go for the fourth quarter starting next week. Have a fine, awful weather day, Rax.